Top 5 Best Pocket Drone. Number 5. Holy Stone GPS Drone with 4K Camera for Adults. The Holy Stone GPS drone is a compact and feature-rich drone that caters to adult users seeking a reliable and capable aerial companion. With a focus on camera quality and GPS capabilities, this drone offers a comprehensive solution for both beginners and experienced pilots. The drone comes equipped with a 4K camera that supports electronic image stabilization, ensuring clear and steady footage. The camera can be adjusted remotely, providing flexibility in capturing the perfect shot. The GPS module enhances the drone stability, enabling features like precise hovering, automatic return to home, and intelligent flight modes such as Follow Me and waypoints. The Holy Stone drone boasts a flight time of around 25 minutes and a control range of up to 300 meters. The foldable design makes it easy to carry in your pocket or a small bag, and the included remote controller ensures a reliable connection and responsive controls. Additionally, the drone can be operated through a dedicated smartphone app for added convenience. In summary, the Holy Stone GPS drone is a versatile and portable option for adults who prioritize camera quality, GPS features, and intelligent flight modes in a compact design. Whether you're capturing scenic landscapes or recording memorable moments, this drone delivers a satisfying aerial experience. Coming in number 4. Ruko F11 GIM2 Drones. The Ruko F11 GIM2 is a pocket drone that stands out with its advanced camera capabilities and intelligent flight features. This drone is designed for photography and videography enthusiasts who require high-quality aerial footage in a portable package. Equipped with a 4K camera on a 2-axis gimbal, the F11 GIM2 ensures stable and smooth footage, even in challenging conditions. The gimbal provides tilt and roll stabilization, resulting in professional-looking shots. The camera supports a 120-degree field of view, allowing you to capture wide-angle scenes with ease. The drone's GPS and GLONASS dual-mode positioning system contribute to precise navigation and accurate flight control. This is particularly beneficial for features like Follow Me mode and automatic return to home. The intelligent flight modes, including waypoints and orbit mode, add creativity to your aerial photography. With a flight time of up to 30 minutes and a control range of approximately 500 meters, the Ruko F11 GIM2 offers an extended and immersive flying experience. The included remote controller features a built-in LCD screen for real-time monitoring, and the drone can be controlled via a smartphone app. The Ruko F11 GIM2 strikes a balance between advanced features and portability, making it a suitable choice for users who prioritize camera quality and intelligent flight modes in a pocket-sized drone. Coming in number 3. Bwine F7 Mini Drones with Camera. The Bwine F7 Mini is a compact drone that packs a punch in terms of features and camera capabilities. With its miniature size, this drone is easy to carry and perfect for capturing spontaneous moments wherever you go. The F7 Mini is equipped with a high-definition camera that can capture both photos and videos. Despite its small size, the camera delivers impressive image quality, making it suitable for recreational use and capturing memorable experiences. The drone also features altitude hold, making it easier for beginners to control and capture stable shots. One notable aspect of the F7 Mini is its user-friendly controls, making it accessible for drone enthusiasts of all skill levels. The headless mode simplifies orientation, and one-key takeoff and landing enhance the overall flying experience. The drone's compact design and foldable arms make it easy to carry in your pocket or a small bag. While the F7 Mini may not have advanced GPS features, it compensates with its simplicity and affordability. It's an excellent choice for those who prioritize portability and ease of use without compromising on basic camera functionalities. Coming in number 2. Potensic Atom SE GPS Drone. The Potensic Atom SE GPS drone is another outstanding pocket-sized drone that combines advanced features with ease of use. Designed for both beginners and experienced pilots, this drone offers a stable and enjoyable flying experience. Equipped with a GPS module, the Atom SE provides accurate positioning, making it easier to control and allowing for intelligent flight modes. One notable feature is the Follow Me mode, where the drone autonomously follows the pilot, capturing dynamic footage. The GPS also enables functions like waypoints and orbit mode, adding versatility to your aerial photography. The Atom SE comes with a 4K camera that supports electronic image stabilization, ensuring smooth and steady footage even during dynamic flights. The camera angle can be adjusted remotely, giving you control over your shot composition. The drone's compact design makes it easy to carry, and the foldable arms enhance its portability. With a flight time of around 20 minutes and a control range of up to 200 meters, the Potensic Atom SE strikes a balance between performance and size. The included remote controller is user-friendly, and the drone can also be controlled via a smartphone app. Overall, the Potensic Atom SE is a reliable choice for those seeking a feature-packed pocket drone with GPS capabilities. Coming in number 1. Bwine F7GB2 Drones. The Bwine F7GB2 drone is a top contender in the pocket drone category, offering impressive features and performance in a compact design. With its foldable arms, this drone easily fits into your pocket, making it convenient for on-the-go adventures. One standout feature of the Bwine F7GB2 is its built-in 4K camera, capable of capturing stunning aerial footage and still images. The camera is equipped with a 120-degree wide-angle lens, ensuring that you can capture a broad view of your surroundings. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced drone pilot, the F7GB2's user-friendly controls make it easy to navigate and capture breathtaking shots. In addition to its camera capabilities, this drone boasts a robust GPS system for precise positioning and accurate flight control. The GPS also enables intelligent features such as Follow Me mode, allowing the drone to autonomously track and film your movements. With a flight time of around 20 minutes and a range of up to 300 meters, the Bwine F7GB2 offers a satisfying flying experience. The drone comes with a dedicated remote controller that provides a reliable connection and responsive controls. It also supports a smartphone app for additional features and real-time FPV streaming. The Bwine F7GB2 strikes a balance between portability and functionality, making it an excellent choice for drone enthusiasts seeking a compact yet powerful device.